how's life? Great, excellent, yay! Di video kali ini kita akan membahas expression tentang have you taken a bath?
So, here we go. The first one.
I wanna take a pee. I wanna take a pee.
The next one.
I wanna see the John. I wanna see the John.
Furthermore,
my toothpaste is used up. My toothpaste is used up.
Next.
My toothbrush is worn out. My toothbrush is worn out.
The next one.
May I ask your shampoo? May I ask your shampoo?
Furthermore,
I got no more soap. I got no more soap.
Next.
The bathroom's pissed up. The bathroom's pissed up.
The next one.
You kept me waiting. You kept me waiting.
Furthermore,
make it fast. Make it fast.
Next.
I'm still washing my hair. I'm still washing my hair.
The next one.
I've got a lot of laundry there. I've got a lot of laundry there.
Furthermore,
the floor is slippery and mossy. The floor is slippery and mossy.
Next.
It's about the time to drain the tub. It's about the time to drain the tub.
Furthermore,
go wash yourself. Go wash yourself.
Next.
How much longer do you need? How much longer do you need?
Furthermore,
you took a shower forever. You took a shower forever.
Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to anyone. Thank you so much, and the last I say, Mr. Bob, super seru.